she got selected on Java technology. So she will just share her experience. How many rounds of interviews were there? What questions they have asked. Okay. Anushka, just tell which company you got selected. Bharat Biotech. Okay. So how many rounds of interviews were there? 2 rounds. So first round, what they have asked? So in first round, technical round, entire core Java they have asked and SQL also. So in core Java, what concepts they asked?
Main exceptions and collections, multi-threading and variables also. Main topics they asked.
Okay.
And some little.
So any programs? They wrote no programs for you. So you're lucky. SQL what they have asked? Yeah, guys, listen the questions. Yeah.
DDL commands, anti-DDL commands, CCL commands, TCL commands, and DQL commands also.
Okay.
Entire commands.
Okay. Then second round was?
In second round, only technical questions and basic mental knowledge.
Means logical.
Logical questions.
Okay.
And some critical situations they give.
Okay.
And ask.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So any HR round for you?
No.
No HR. Again, lucky you are. Second round is HR. Okay, good. Alright. So, any questions you want to ask, guys? Java people? Except package, you can ask any other thing. Except the package. No written test, right? No written test. Okay, good. All the best, Anushka. Yes, Python. Divya. So, which company got selected? Dev Team. So, she is Divya. She got selected on Python. So, which company? Dev Team. How many rounds were there?
Total 3 rounds.
3 rounds. So, first round, what they have asked?
First round technical concept they asked. In second round they asked to write the queries and code. In third round CEO round.
Aptitude reasoning. Again, lucky you are. Okay. So first round technical what questions they asked?
Like based on Python and SQL concept they asked like SQL commands and Python. In Python they asked if else condition while loops. These conditions they are asked the concept. In second round they asked to write a coding on these concepts.
Okay, second round they have asked coding.
Coding.
Okay, good. Then HR CEO, what he asked?
CEO just personally sir asked based on our profile, based on the resume they asked us questions.
Okay. Okay. So based on the resume, in resume whatever we are mentioning, they are asking questions on that only. Okay, good. Yeah. What about you? What's the name? Maheshwari. Which company got selected? Dev Team. Okay, same. So she is Maheshwari. She also got selected in same company. Okay. So how many rounds were there for you? 3 rounds. First round, what question they asked?
They asked basics, theories like SQL and Python.
Okay.
And second round
Coding.
Python.
Okay. So in SQL, what question they asked?
Like these and the commands, what are the commands,
Okay.
subqueries, and the joins.
Joins. Okay.
I'm coding the prime numbers.
Okay. So what prime numbers? So they have for them they have asked coding also. So they told to write a program for prime numbers and all those things. Okay. Then SQL for everybody they have asked SQL. SQL is very important. Either you take Java or Python. SQL is compulsory. See what he asked? Okay. Confidence level. So they want to check the confidence level. Third round is totally confidence only. Okay. So any questions for her?
Pass out anything?
2022 October.
Stream?
MSc Data Science.
అర్థం కాలేదు ఒక చెప్పండి
MSc Data Science.
ఎంఎస్సి
MSc Data Science.
Degree. 2021.
She is 21 degree. Okay. So your qualification doesn't matter. Either you are from a degree or from a BTech or from a PG. What matters is your knowledge. So if you have knowledge, definitely they are going to select. మీరు ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యారు ఇక్కడ నవంబర్ సో విత్ ఇన్ 1 month they got selected. That is a real Okay. So Anusha, you wrote some exams here, right? So exams, anything useful for you for attending, clearing the interview? Okay. So exams, what you were writing here, mock interviews, seminars, were they useful or not?
Yes, sir. They are
Really useful. So what she is saying is, whatever the exams which you are writing here, your mock interviews, seminars, they are very useful. Okay. So that is why we tell everybody to here write the exams, give seminars, give mock interviews. That will improve your confidence level. So confidence is required, right?
Sir, only one interview done job వచ్చింది.
These two girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is again a good news. First interview only they have cracked the job. Very good. So Anisha, how many you attended?
3.
3. She got selected in third. Yes. Any more thing? Anything you want to ask?
Difference here, ma'am.
For them 3 years bond. For her there is no bond. But companies they will ask nowadays bond. Every company they are asking bond. We should be ready for that. So if we simply sit without any bond, so it will take so much time for to get a job. So either 1 year, 2 years also we should be ready with the bond.
Is there any suggestions?
Yeah.
In the paper,
ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ సార్ వాళ్ళు మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ సెమినార్స్ అన్ని కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు. క్లాస్ అయిపోగానే ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోతాం. సో నో నీడ్ టు స్ట్రెస్ అనమాట. ఇంకా ఇంటర్వ్యూకి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక్కసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకా మొత్తం టోటల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మాత్రం పక్కా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. మెయిన్వి కాకుండా మిగతావి కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడం అన్ని.
One thing I want to tell about Anusha is she is very regular to the classes. She will not bunk even a single class also. She is very regular. She will attend all the classes. Yes, answer. So what about aptitude? She is to attend regular, right? Very regular. Yes, communication. That's with this college. So they are also regular.
Yes. Always regular. And very active in class.
Very active.
And always in front bench also.